Hey, this is John Young with the Weekend Handyman. Today we're looking at a Craftsman tool in their new V20 line. This is their chainsaw lopper kit. Craftsman tools, of course, came out with the 20 volt power early in that 2019, and now they are available pretty much across the country. They're being carried in Ace Hardware is carrying them, Lowe's are carrying them, and if you're in the upper Midwest, Fleet Farm is now carrying them. So you're going to be able to find the full line of their tools in a lot of spots around the country. The chainsaw lopper runs off the 20 volt lithium ion batteries. So there's a variety of different sizes. This is the 2 amp hour one, and they have larger than this one, but this is just the one that I happen to have on the charger here that works in a variety of their different tools, whether it's the lights, the drills, the saws, what have you. Well, now they're going into the outdoor power equipment, and we are looking today at a lopper, a chainsaw lopper. So what I want to do is, in this video, this is just going to be kind of an unboxing video for those who are out there wanting to see a little bit about what's in the box. Then we'll take it outside and we will do some in the field videos showing us how it works out there when we're out there cutting down branches and trimming some trees. Now, with any chainsaw, there is, of course, that chain that can be a dangerous piece. So we've got to keep in mind as we're doing things like this. The lopper kit might look like something that would be, kid friendly. They are not kid friendly. It is a dangerous tool with that chain. Now the lopper itself is a lot safer than an open chainsaw that has the chain flying around. It does have a chain moving, but it has some built-in protection inside it that we will hopefully be looking at here in just a second. Let's see. There's our lopper. Let's set that down. I think this is all empty. So the lopper kit comes with the lopper itself, and it comes with a little 2 amp hour battery, so the same battery I just showed you, and the charger, which is Exxon. Then it comes with a little bottle, and this must be our tool for dealing with the chain, as well as the directions. So let's take a look at this a little bit here. So we have a little tag here that says to reduce injuries, don't do bad and stupid things. Well, it goes into more detail than that, but you know what? I want to show you guys a little bit about how it works. So not only did it have the tag on it, but it has a little zip tie on it. So we will grab our little utility knife here. Pop that. And then we've got the handles. Okay, there's a lock there. Good. Okay, now we can actually see the chain. I'm going to bring it over here. So you can see that there's a little chain. There's a mini chainsaw inside a lopper's. And what that will do is when we activate it, that chain will spin. And the chain is actually coming and spinning this way, going into the device. And we can see that it is fairly sharp. That's the way they do it. They've got our little teeth right here that we're looking at, and they go in. So when a piece of wood is in here like this, the chain will rotate this way, and it will cut the wood. Now with the chainsaw, you need to have an oiling, has to be oiled, because if we don't keep that chain lubricated just a little bit, it will seize up. So there's got to be a spot here where we are going to be putting in the oil, and we're going to have to find that spot there we go. Here we are. Right here is our oil area. Let's see. It opens up, and right there is where we would put the oil in, right there, if you can see that. And this would probably be, we fill this up with chain oil and put that in and squirt some in there, and then we would be good to go. Set that back into place. So the lopper itself has a little lock right here. We open that up. We can open this up, and then it feels like it's got maybe either one of those. I wonder if we need both of them to make it activate. But then we would go put it on a branch, and we could let it close and let it cut its way through, and boom, it's good. Why this is a little safer than a regular chainsaw is I can't hurt myself right now. Obviously, when it's open, you've got the chain exposed. When it's closed and latched and locked, it's pretty safe, and you're good to go with that. And of course the last piece is when we would snap the battery on, we would just pop the battery on the back right there, and we are good to go. I'm not going to run it right now until there's some bar oil on there, because that's one of the most important things with chainsaws of any sort, whether it's a lopper or a real chainsaw, is to have that chain oil on there, because if you don't, it can do damage to that chain very, very quickly and damage the chain and the bar. So we're going to go get some chain oil and put things together, and we're going to do another video demonstrating this in action. This was just kind of an unboxing video. We'll put links in the description below so you can go check this out. But this again is the new V20 powered lopper here from Craftsman Tools.